Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in the Suzuki key fob. Pretty straightforward process. You need one of these 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. They're just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. And also a small flat blade screwdriver about this size. What you want to do is down by this mechanical key, there's a slot right here. Put your screwdriver in here and just gently work the sides up. You can see I tore the plastic up a little bit there, so just try and be careful with it. Split the two halves, and there is your battery. Put your screwdriver right here. Pop out that old 2032 battery. New one goes in, positive side facing outward, and then just give that a good squeeze. Back together. You can test right here, make sure your red light's on, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.